Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So I have, of course, a Dollar Tree haul. I have two bags in front of me. I was super excited to find 3 of the items, and I'm going to get to that. But if you're new to my channel, hit that subscribe button. You can hit that like button as well. I'd appreciate it. And yeah, let's get into this. So I'm just going to randomly pull stuff out. I did pick up a calendar for my daughter. We love Charlie Brown, and I just thought this was super cute. I love the pictures on the back, and it is a 2019 calendar. So they had some more vases. The last haul I did, I showed the long skinny ones in the brown, green, and red. And they had the cute little gold leaves on it. Well, they had some other ones as well that were shorter like this. And it had the leaf on it, the metal leaf. But I didn't get any of those. I did take pictures. I will put at the end of this video. But this one is the only one that I grabbed. And I really like this. It looks like kind of like a smoky glass. I don't know. Frosty. That's the word. Frosty glass. And then it's gold. Look at that gold on the inside, you guys. That is so pretty. And yeah, so I plan on doing something with this. I may end up having to go back and get a couple more. Now, I always talk about their candles. If you've been following me for a long time, you know that whenever I see candles and they're new, I like to try them out to see which one or if any of them will have any throw and if I'm going to like them. So I always give them a chance depending on what it is. Whenever they're in this jar, the old Williamsburg, and they're in a little mason jar, I like to try them out. So they had some new fall fragrances. This one is Autumn Apricot, and it has a light smell in the jar. It wasn't too strong, but I'm gonna try it out anyway. I thought that would be cool if it did, Autumn Apricot. And then they had Mulberry and Fig Delight, and this one is blue. And it didn't really smell either in the jar, so hopefully it'll have a little bit of a throw, maybe in a small space or whatever. But these two, I picked up 2 just because I have high hopes for, and I hope that it smells good. But these smell pretty strong in the jar, so I'm hoping these smell good. And it's bourbon maple, so I did get those. And yeah, so let me jump into this other bag, which this is not a really big haul, but the items I found I think are super cool. So then I saw some new cups, and I was torn between getting the ones that have some dog sayings on them or cats. I don't even have a cat, although I like cats. So this one is the one I got. It says, I meow you, and I just thought it was cute. I like that they are dishwasher and microwave safe. So I did get this one. I'll put the pictures at the end of the other ones. Okay, so these are the items right here that I was like really shocked. I was like, okay, Dollar Tree, look at y'all trying to compete with Michael's. I know you didn't. It is some planner books, and there's 3 different ones, and I'll show you. I'm not going to go through each picture, but this one has 323 stickers in there, and they look like that. Really, really nice book for your planner. If you like purchasing the ones from Michael's, then you will love this one, especially because it's $1. Those are the ones that are in there. I love the pretty colors. Love the pretty colors on that. Then there was this one. This one has 297 pictures in there, or stickers, I should say. Really, really cute. Those banners, diamonds, the boxes that are already, you know, ready for your box in the planner. And this is what some of the pictures look like. Really, really nice. I'm like, okay, because even the ones at Target, when Target puts out their little sticker books, they are even, I think they start charging like $3 for them now. Here's this one. I like this one a lot. It still has a little bit of the summer theme going on, but I still think you still have time to use these. Look at these at the bottom. Super cute. Oh my goodness. Then you have these type of, you know, page flag type thingies and whatnot, and then the back looks like that. You guys hear this loud bird? He's sitting up at the top of that tree right there, and he just squawking so loud. Okay, I did get another one of these. I honestly like this one. I do not like the purple one. Oh, I do not like that one. But this the yellow one, I really like. So whenever I stumble across those, I pick them up. I did pick up this unicorn headband for myself. Because I plan on wearing it. I mess with the kids a lot. I might even just walk around the house in that and mess around. So I did pick that up. Okay, these next little items are Halloween themed, and they are adorable. Look at these little figurines. It's a little dog with the hat, and he's holding the candy corn, and they're not too heavy at all, but they are heavy enough. So I have got him. I used to have a dog that looked just like this, a little Yorkie, so I thought this was adorable with her little pumpkin sweater and her little bow. Then I got him. I wish they would have had one that looks like my dog right now, holding a little pumpkin with his little mask on. Cute to sit around the house, and him in his bandages holding his little pumpkin. So I thought those were adorable. And then the last thing that I picked up was just this, and I'm standing in the store. When I seen this, I just started giggling because I thought it was funny. It says, "Life is short, smile while you still have teeth." So, and that is true. So I just thought this was cute, and it has the little tooth, you know, on there or whatnot. So that is it, you guys. I told you it was going to be a small haul, but I just think the items are super cute. I love the sticker books. I love these little figurines like this. Definitely have never seen these in Dollar Tree in the past, and so I just had to pick those up. So that is it. I don't know, you guys can't see my bag back there. I got a giant bag from Goodwill I just left from, and that's why I just said, let me stop at Dollar Tree and see what I could find. Yeah, I did some damage in the Goodwill. I don't know if I'm gonna haul that. I don't know. I think I might, but I don't know. But that's for my Poshmark closet. So yeah, that's a whole nother story or a whole nother video. But I thank you guys for watching. I hope you guys are having a beautiful weekend. Stay tuned for more videos, because I have another one. Hopefully I'll have it up tomorrow. I don't know. Okay, now I'm just running on. I'll talk to you guys in my next video. Bye.